Take a ride in the 2017 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front knee, trip odometer, heated steering wheel, fog lights, power brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.